A stunning reversal that could reshape America's air quality policies is unfolding, and the consequences might literally be breathtaking. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, has announced that it will no longer support the Biden administration's rule designed to tighten restrictions on fine particle pollution, tiny airborne pollutants that scientists have long linked to heart disease, respiratory illness, and thousands of premature deaths each year. On Monday evening, officials disclosed the decision to withdraw legal defense of the rule, claiming that the previous administration overstepped its authority when it moved to strengthen these pollution limits. The regulation in question, finalized in 2024, aimed to reduce concentrations of fine particulate matter smaller than 2.5 micrometers, often referred to as soot. These particles are so small they can penetrate deep into the lungs and bloodstream, posing serious health risks that disproportionately affect children, older adults, and low-income communities. Environmental experts warn that this policy shift could result in dirtier air across large parts of the United States, potentially reversing progress made in public health protection over the past decade. Researchers have consistently emphasized that even slight increases in fine particle exposure can contribute to spikes in asthma, cardiovascular disease, and premature mortality. But here's where it gets controversial. Proponents of the rollback argue that the EPA must operate within its legal boundaries and avoid imposing costly regulations on industry without explicit congressional approval. Critics, however, see this as a stark example of politics trumping human health, a decision that prioritizes economic interests over scientific evidence. So, what do you think? Should the EPA prioritize legal interpretations and industry concerns, or should it uphold stricter standards to protect public health, even if that means overstepping unclear boundaries? Share your thoughts, because this debate is far from settled.